What the hell is that? If that's not polygonal masonry, classic Peruvian, Egyptian, Turkish. I mean, all over the world now we're finding this style of masonry. It's just these notches, these blocks fit perfectly. This was a face here, or we see his helmet up above. Some things have been removed. Or some sort of a plaque was there and it's been removed. Probably giant jewels where this white space is. We see this all over the place around here in the Montana megaliths, my friends. Things removed from the faces of these ancient, beautiful rocks sometime in the last 100 years, if we look at the geology of this. I would say, I'm not an expert, but let's get some experts out here. You tell me. Internet experts, what do you think?
What do you think?